What is the best estate plan? I am Attorney Joshua Santiago, the managing partner of Javier Santiago Torres and Panghulan. So if you do not have a very complicated estate, your assets are not tycoon level naman or very, very complicated, and your heirs are all in agreement and in harmony, and you have a very basic family structure, like for example, one wife, two kids, diba? Or one wife, one kid, they're all in harmony, then the best suggestion I have for you is no estate plan, except for the fact that maybe you need to set aside some cash to settle the estate taxes. The estate tax is now simplified. It's basically 6% of your half of the conjugal assets if you're a married person, or 6% of your net estate less deductions. The standard deduction is 5 million, and if you have a family home, you have an additional 10 million deduction. And for example, we have a 30 million house. If I pass away ahead of my wife, my estate is 15 million. 15 million because my wife gets her conjugal share. Of the 15 million, kung yun yung house and lot, merong 5 million na standard deduction, and then a 10 million special deduction for the family home. So, ano ang net taxable estate? It's zero. Zero net taxable estate. If it exceeds that, I am just taxed 6% of that. So, that's in a nutshell how we do a simple estate plan. No?